Do you want to know how you can log into your green employee payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your green employee payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for green employee payroll login. This is the payroll login you want to click on. If this is not your link, you can see this is your employee login link. So go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to this portal where you can see this portal. Go ahead and click here and then it will lead you to this page where you can log into your green employee payroll account. So go ahead and write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go ahead and write down your password. So you must check your password once you're done by clicking on this icon and then click login. This way, you can easily log into your green employee payroll account. If this is not your site, what you need to do is click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page which is the page of green employee. Go ahead and write down your email or phone number and then click sign in. Then a password option will appear. Go ahead and write down your password, click sign in again, and this way you can log into your green employee payroll account. So guys, this is how you log into your green payroll or your green employee payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.